friends, welcome to Healthy Life Tuber YouTube channel. Today our topic is sugar versus jaggery. Two common sweeteners used throughout the world. Although both jaggery and sugar are obtained from the same sources, they are much different in their properties and benefits. Jaggery and sugar, born of the same sugarcane juice. As we are aware, sugar and jaggery are completely different in color. Sugar typically has a bright white color. And there are differences in texture. Sugar is solid, hard, and crystalline. The first step of sugar and jaggery preparation is the same, which is boiling of sugarcane juice. After the initial boiling, in the case of sugar, this syrup is treated with charcoal, preferably bone charcoal, to absorb unwanted particles and to give a clear, transparent solution. This solution, once it is condenses and crystallizes, results in the commonly known form of sugar. Sugar contains only sucrose, which is C12H22O12. Who cares about the process? Let's discuss about the health benefits. Sugar is instantly absorbed in the blood and releases a burst of energy. This may prove harmful to some internal organs such as the kidneys, eyes and brain, particularly for patients with diabetes. And for some unknown reasons, sugar solution in water is considered cooling in nature. So in some places it is not recommended to consume sugar when someone has a cold. You may find jaggery in different colors, which is true Eastman colors ranging from golden yellow to golden brown and brown, dark brown, and like the color of dark chocolate, depending upon the extent to which it was cooked. Jaggery is semi-solid and softer than sugar, and you may find in different shapes. In the case of jaggery, there is no treatment with any kind of charcoal, nor there is any kind of crystallization. For jaggery, the mother syrup is boiled and boiled continuously until it is formed into a thick paste, and then it is poured into molds to make blocks of jaggery of the desired quantity and desired shape. In jaggery, there is predominantly sucrose with traces of mineral salts, iron and some fiber. Jaggery is far more complex than sugar as it is made up of longer chains of sucrose, hence it is digested slower than sugar and released energy slowly and not instantaneously. This provides energy for a longer time and it is not harmful for the body. However, this does not certify it is as fit for consumption by diabetes, because ultimately it is still sugar. Jaggery also gathers a considerable amount of ferrous salts during its preparation as it is prepared in iron vessels. This iron is also good for health, particularly for those who are anemic or lack iron. Jaggery also contains traces of mineral salts which are very beneficial for the body. You might have experienced this when consuming jaggery. It leaves a hint of salt on the tongue. These salts come from the sugarcane juice where it is absorbed from the soil. Furthermore, jaggery is very good as a cleansing agent. It cleanses the lungs, stomach, intestine and respiratory tracts. Those who face dust in their day-to-day life are highly recommended to take a daily dose of jaggery. With the details, we can easily conclude what to consume in our daily life. For me, I will choose jaggery. Leave your opinion in the comment section below and do not forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell button to get the instant notification. Thanks for watching.